In Excel, it is possible to filter the data that is displayed on a chart without having to create a new dataset or modify the original data source. This technique is especially useful when you want to focus on specific aspects of your data or present a clearer visual analysis. To filter data on a chart in Excel 365, you start by selecting the chart you want to modify. Once the chart is selected, go to the Chart Design tab. From there, click on the Select Data option. This action opens the Select Data Source window, which allows you to define exactly which data series you want the chart to display. In this window, you can see a list of the available data series in your chart. To filter a specific product or category, you can select the desired series and modify the data range. For example, you might choose to show only data for product A and select the corresponding range, such as months from January to June. After clicking OK, the chart will update and show only the filtered data for product A. You can also select multiple products or categories if you want to compare them, such as filtering the chart to display data for both product A and product B within specific months like January and February. The chart will update automatically, reflecting the filters you have applied, without changing or affecting the original data in the spreadsheet. This method allows you to focus your analysis and presentation on particular areas of your data without altering the underlying structure of your Excel file. It is an efficient and effective way to manage the visual representation of your data in Excel, and it helps keep your original datasets intact while still allowing flexible filtering on your charts.